morning, everyone. My name is Red. Let's go over some of the things that I was talking about a few days ago. So over here, after Bitcoin had its massive sell-off, we had lower lows for Bitcoin, but higher lows on the R side, indicating a bearish convergence, bullish divergence. After we made a higher high for Bitcoin over here, confirming with the RSI, Bitcoin looked like it was ready for a reversal. We broke out of this triangle, and right now Bitcoin is going to determine if we're in this uptrend right here in this channel, or if we're going to start a downtrend over here. We'd have to break the level of 60. We'd have to close above 6,600 to confirm that we're in an uptrend. But for now, that's what I'm keeping my eye on. There's some clear resistance right here from Bitcoin's previous high around 65.20, so keep an eye on that. On the MACD, we still look good for the MACD on the 4 hour. Here, let me take this to the 1 hour actually. Here we go. Euro trend line, to determine if Bitcoin still has the strength to continue going or not. So over here, Bitcoin's MACD still looks good. It's going to cross over the zero line, usually a very bullish indication that we still have more buying momentum. And over here, it doesn't look like Bitcoin has broken any serious trend lines. I can't really draw any good trends right now. Let's move on to Ethereum. Alright, so for Ethereum, we were in this descending channel, and we were forming a falling wedge. It hit the bottom of the wedge and then broke out of the channel as well. Right now, we are currently fighting this resistance over here, and then we have more resistance over here. Let's draw some trend lines on our MACD. So if we break this trend line on the MACD, it's likely that we'll have some sort of retrace for Ethereum. That's what I'm waiting for right now to add to Ethereum. Let's take a look at EOS. Cool. So EOS has been doing fantastic as well. We were in this rising triangle. I set up here for EOS, set it up a couple days ago. I was watching the RSI for this one. Made a low here, made a higher low on the RSI, and then we made an even higher low over here. I noticed that we couldn't break through this top part right here. So when I drew the triangle and we broke out of it. We still have some strength for EOS right now. Let's take a look. So I'm looking for a retracement if we break this trend right here for EOS, but EOS is still showing some strength right now. Move on to XRP. So XRP is one of the only coins that isn't doing too well. It went up a little bit. It actually started going up before the others, but it's still not performing as well as the others. Currently in this ascending wedge right here, so it's likely that Ripple will reverse to the downside soon, and it makes sense because it's still in this descending triangle. Here's to get the hourly on the MACD. Okay, I think we can get rid of some of these lines. Here's a trend going on right now for Ripple. So we'll see if Ripple can break out of these trends. Watch for it to break the bottom of this trend line or the top of this trend line. Anything else I want to go over? Take a look at Bitcoin one more time. So I never recommend trying to find reversals and putting in positions into reversals, but you can use these bullish divergences and bearish convergences to find weakness in a trend. For the hourly, let's draw some trend lines. Right now, Bitcoin made a little bit of a double top right here. Here we go, it couldn't get past this trend over here. It's looking like it's gonna go down, so we will most likely get that retrace. I was hoping we'd get a retrace over here, but we didn't get much of a retrace there. After we get that retrace, I'll have to reevaluate and see what else is possible. So that's it for me, guys. Later.